Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Post Affiliate Pro for tracking links, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Post Affiliate Pro website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Fill in the required information on the registration form. Enter your email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Post Affiliate Pro website. Log in using your registered email and password. Navigate to the Tracking Links section in your dashboard. Click on the Create New Link button to start tracking link setup. Fill in the necessary details for your new tracking link. Enter the destination URL where you want to direct traffic. Assign a name to your tracking link for easy identification. Choose any additional settings and parameters as needed. Click the Save button to create your tracking link. Review your link in the dashboard to ensure it was created successfully. Share your new tracking link with your affiliates or partners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.